How to start a successful blog in 5 steps. Step 1. Choose your blog name and get your blog hosting. Your domain name is an important part of your blog because it creates a first impression. It is the name of your blog, also known as your URL. Your domain is also your address on the web. Step 2. Start your blog by adding WordPress. Next you will install WordPress, which is free. Don't let the word install intimidate you, though it's much easier than it sounds, and do your all work. Step 3. Pick a simple theme to make your own blog. A theme allows you to pick a design for your blog without the need for coding expertise or knowledge. In other words, a good theme helps you to design your blog exactly how you want it to look. Step 4. Add 2 key blogging plugins to find your readers and track stats. Plugins are third-party appendages that add additional functionality to your blog. It's best to keep your number of blog plugins to a minimum and install only the best ones, because too many plugins as well as unreliable plugins can slow down your blog site. Step 5. Write compelling content to create a blog that your readers love. Congratulations! You started a blog, and now it's time to start blogging. This is where the fun begins. Now that you have your own blog, you get to make it your. You get to turn your vision into reality.